guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Yes guys, the Christmas festive season has come to an end. Now we're preparing for 2026 New Year. Guys, when me not get more one almanac, guys. Me never get no almanac last year. Me will try get one before 2026 coming. Yes guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, and also if you are not following me on my other platforms, you can find me at Instagram at Fanika TV. You can find me on Facebook at Erica Shackelford, on TikTok at Fanika LKG. Yes guys, today is Sunday and we're just gonna cook some Sunday dinner and just prepare for New Year's. And also if you have any New Year resolutions, you can also put them down in the comments down below. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Okay, so I have my peas in my pressure cooker. Whenever you can see down in there, but I show you down in there what I have in the peas. You can't show. I go put it on the fire now for pressure, right? So I go show you what I have in the peas. Because you have to season up your peas as well, guys. You have to season up your peas. So I'm going to show you one in my peas, right? So we have with scallion, with garlic, and with thyme. So yeah, and we put a little bit of water in it. So we are going to get this pan the fire now if you go on pressure. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we will leave it, make it pressure. So yeah guys, nice rice and peas, and then meanwhile it go on pressure guys, I'm gonna season up my meat. So stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel guys and leave a comment down below. Hey guys. Hey guys. I'll take that chicken here. I'll take that baby. And I take my greens. Very nice. I don't know if you're feeding. I think I'm Hey guys, we're gonna season. We're gonna cook some stew, some brown stew chicken. It's like a 2-pound. So this is best dress mixed parts guys. And I paid 1,300 or something. Yeah, mixed parts. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up and come back to you guys. Put some vinegar to wash the chicken. And I take off my jewel. My gem them off on my phone. Up on my hand. And get the meat seasoned up. Okay guys, so I put the vinegar in there. I not really cut them fine. I just going to do like the home style. The home style chicken. So I'm going to do it guys. So I have the meat butter. Another chopper to eat. You know how much time I see that? I'll never get it. I may need one. Hey guys, let's have the pressure. Yeah, that easy. If you chop up with meat, you just chop it up. So, one chop. And then chop. Okay, guys. We get couple breast and it's couple breast okay, nice. Some nice home style chicken, guys, today. I don't know when I go cook for my New Year's yet. To be honest, I don't know yet when I go cook. I might just cook some fish. Yeah, some fried fish. But yeah. So yeah, guys, we're go get them here, season up, and get back to you guys. So stay tuned. So yeah, guys, we're gonna season up. So yeah, guys, we're gonna season up the meat now. As I said, guys, I cook some home style chicken. I'm gonna put some Maggi chicken season. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put in some chicken season, guys. Me I put in first. I'm not really putting the salt because majority of them season very salty. I'm not measure either. It's a true when my heart says stop. Also, guys, we have some jerk season, some Maggi jerk. Maybe I got chop on it as well. I'm not put too much of this one. Some soy sauce. Some soy sauce. Funny. I like cook with soy sauce, it's nice. And also I go put some Jamaican jerk. These are the wet jerk, guys. So these are wet seasoning. But then blend up. And I put too much pepper. And I'm going to be putting some browning on it because as I say, guys, I make some home style chicken and stuff. Some home style browning on it. You can't put too much browning because you make it taste bitter. And then mix it well. So me have all the nails in I will use me. That's what I want to see. They look pretty. Smell nice. I eat jerk season, you know, so it smells really good. Hey guys, so we have our season, our meat, well seasoned up. We're gonna fry it and stuff, guys, right? Want to see? Does it smell nice? Yeah. today is a very rainy day. It's black up. Guys. Because it's soap do me hand. All along me I use cheap soap. It's soap, cheap soap. No do me hand say nice soap I pay over $2,000 pa. Because I do me hand. Gosh, I buy no more as nice smelling as this is. I buy more. Kaya buno ko wala mi hand. I put in 1 tree pega garlic in this. I always like put garlic in my food. Ginger. It's a ginger thing. Some green pepper. I forgot to put them on. Yes, so let's put the green pepper them on this guy. I mean, I like cut them in my hand. I cut them in your hand. Sometimes you forget and rub in your eye or scratch some up on your body and something. So. All them pepper you don't know strong enough. What's that called? Time cold. Guys, I'll mix up everything. Everything together. Put too much, guys. I put too much in it. Guys, I just something them in something. I got brown stew, so I don't really need like too much thing in it. So yeah, guys, see how me meat season up. Oh, it's pretty. So guys, very beautiful. Everything I go put in a pot one time, but I just go put the meat in a scrape off the seasoning. Fry them. yeah, guys. So may I try see if I can get everything inside of the pot. All of the meat them inside of the pot, guys. Everything inside of the pot. So yeah, everything inside it. I'm gonna put everything in it. Cause today I do one style, guys. Everything I go in. You just want like one. One have to go with. I'll show you all the nice here. So yeah, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm gonna show you how down in the pot stay. Because I put everything in there already, so it's full up. But I'll show you guys. So stay tuned. I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you. Oh, in the pot stay with every. So you get it in one side. But about 1 hour cooking, guys, because she brown in the pan, you don't really know when it cooks thoroughly, but yeah. You see, it look nice, guys. Yes, I'm gonna make it get some more cooking, some more, and then we put the other stuff in night. So yeah, I'll put the cut up seasoning. And if you don't see me put ginger in it, I'll put the cut up seasoning. I'll get the ketchup. Some ketchup. How come I not put the ketchup in there? To me, so not decide. To me, I would like ketchup there. Not put no ketchup in there. Let's make it taste so. No ketchup. So pretty, guys. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That is it, guys. Pretty. Pretty food. Delicious. Check out my food, guys. Tell me how me do. How this look. Delicious. Yeah. Delicious. Look at that one. Everything pretty. Yeah. Kitty, you're not getting on. Kitty, you're not getting on. You're not getting on. I'm going to tell her that she's not getting on. Make she know. So she's not getting on. Alright. Put the water for me. Hey guys, I'm gonna make it the water boil up, because I'm gonna boil some pasta to put on the side. Put on the side, guys. Go boil down. There this one. Wait till the water. I use 2 of them. Oh. Wow. I'll let them boil for a couple minutes. Couple minutes time. I'm gonna put some here and yeah, I'm gonna add a little salt tonight. And sponges. I need macaroni. Guys, me have the coconut milk from the okay, guys, so this is the side. So I just hope it's on this side. So guys, that's the pasta. That's the pasta. Pasta, guys. We'll put it in my fridge. Rice that I have been using, I think a 4 pounds coming at it, and I think these are like the almost like I think these are the 3rd cook. And see how much in the same way. Yeah, because it hold a lot. It hold 4 pounds, 4.41 pounds. It holds a lot. I like it. I like the other jasmine rice them, guys, because when you cook them they have one smell. That one here no really smells so bad like the other jasmine rice them. So I'm going to continue to buy this one. I look for the good that I remember because they have other one we have green bag. I always buy one clear bag one we kind of look like a yellow right in the pan. Anytime that I cook, the smell where it come out of it, I really like it. So yeah, guys, I use this, and then this look how much in there. And I think I paid like 1,300 and something for one bag. I may have one other bag, full bag, when I touch it. So it's what I'm using to cook my rice and peas. Yeah. So stay tuned. We just wait on the something if it boil up. If it boil up and then we back. The rice can start boil up. Hey guys, we will get the salt in our pot. We taste of the pot, never put the salt in it. So I'm going to add some salt in this now. It's my plate, guys. Little home style chicken, macaroni, and some rice.